Hello, welcome to the stock market analysis. We'll continue to look at the Nvidia stock and see what's going to happen. So without further ado, let's take a look at the daily chart of Nvidia. As you can see, it's in a very nice uptrend and it has broken above a downtrend line in the shorter time frame. You see, when the stock is near the 20 MA, there is a very good chance that it can break out higher. Let me just switch to the 60-minute chart for you to see. Now, this is a downtrend line, and you can actually buy the stock when it breaks a downtrend line and put a stop loss here, or here, or here. So this is a short-term support area that I have highlighted, and you don't want to see Nvidia drop below this. Okay, now Nvidia just had a 60-minute bullish cross, and the bullish cross is actually very, very important because it can be the start of a new uptrend, the 60-minute chart. So as you can see here, the 60-minute bullish crossover resulted in it rising very well. Of course, when the topping tail formed, it just collapsed and traded sideways. Now, the other thing you have to take note of is there might be a possibility of a double top here. Okay, it can happen. Okay, but I tell you what, let's switch to the indicators. So we have possibility of a double top because here Nvidia broke above the Bollinger Bands, but the second top here, it is within the Bollinger Band. So this breaks above, this is within the Bollinger Bands, and this can often tell of a reversal in the stock. Now here is also a bearish divergence. Here it make at this high, this first top here, there's a high, but the stochastics fail to reach another high here. So there might be a possibility of a bearish divergence. Might be histogram also there is a divergence, and you can see here if I draw it clearly. Okay, here's the first top, histogram is here, second top here, it's at the zero line here. So MACD lines also have a divergence, MACD histogram has a divergence, and stochastics has a bearish divergence as well. So this is something that you need to beware of, okay, because with divergence, bearish divergence, anything can happen and stock may collapse. But having said that, we want to hope that the bearish divergence and the double top never comes to pass. So the first thing that we need to look at is we don't want Nvidia to drop below the 20 MA, because if it drops below the 20 MA, the possibility of the double top happens, right, is very, very high. So you can see here, after the breakout higher, Nvidia has not dropped below the 20 MA, and that signal the stock has been bullish all the time. So as long as the Nvidia stock stays above the 20 MA, you want to stay bullish and not think too much of the double top. The other thing is you want to look at this support area here, right? It has broken out here, and this will be a very good support area. And as long as Nvidia stays above this support area and also the rising 60-minute 20 MA, right, most likely it's gonna break out higher instead of double top in the daily chart materializing. So let's go and take a look at the weekly charts for those who love Nvidia investing. So we have a rising 20 MA in the weekly chart and also a bottoming tail. Bottoming tails can be a gauge of where the stock is, where it wants to go. If it breaks above the bottoming tail, the top of it, then it's likely to go higher, and as long as it stays above the lows of the bottoming tail, then most likely we're going to go higher. You can take an example here. There's a bottoming tail, break out above the bottoming tail, never drop below the lows of the bottoming tail, and it shoot all the way up. Here as well, break above the weekly bottoming tail, never drop below the lows of the bottoming tail, and it shoot up higher. So this stock is still in a very bullish uptrend. rising 20 MA, 50 MA, and 200 MA. So therefore, you should continue to be bullish buyers on this stock. So I hope that this short analysis on Nvidia today was beneficial to you and continue to give you confidence in the bullishness of the stock. The trend is your friend until it ends. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please like my video and subscribe to my channel for more analysis like this. And I'll see you in the next one.